Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF to GIS size PDF using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select a Resize option and select Standard Size option and click this down arrow and scroll down. There are many kinds of GIS paper size. I'll choose JIS B4 and select a unit yes and all page and so on. Finally select OK and see this. Our PDF file now convert to JIS B4 size and select file option. Check document properties. This is JIS this size description option. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and